Hello guys, this is Miguel from MediaDigitalTips.com, and it's Sunday morning, and we are, what's the date today? The 2nd of February 2020. So I just wanted to talk a little bit, perhaps 2, 3, 4 minutes of your time, and I wanted to discuss about something, which is how are we promoting something in particular on the internet? How are we selling to people? How are we doing business? And I am not the most knowledgeable person on this matter, but I'm going to share with you a few tips that I learned through my past experience selling online. Anyone that hasn't started, selling online at first is always thinking about one thing and one thing only in their head, which is, well, I want to sell things online. And the first thing is it's a total normal behavior. However, what does your customer want? The thing is, are you doing this for you, or are you doing something for your customer? And this is the biggest thing that helped me starting to make money from nothing to something. It's because at first we always thinking about ourselves, our own needs. It makes sense. It's human behavior, right? The thing is, when you start learning something, like let's say affiliate marketing perhaps, and you want to know or you want to learn how to sell some digital products on the internet, well, what you need to think first is first of all, you need to figure out what type of products do I want to sell. Well, second thing is how I am going to promote it. And the thing is, before you go out there and put on the internet, something about your ad, well, you want to make sure that you have your avatar ready. And when I say avatar, is who are you talking to? Imagine that you are presenting something in front of someone, right? Is that someone a woman, a man? Are they rich? Are they poor? What's their problem? And what is the solution you have for them? The thing is, it's all starting in a title. So depending on the title of your ads, this will speak to the person you are trying to sell. So if you're closing your eyes and imagining someone in front of you, well, start thinking, who am I talking to? What I'm trying to say is that what do they need, and how can you go grab their attention? How are you going to talk or speak to them? Because everybody that is on the other side of the internet about to make a purchase from your ad are human beings, right? We're all human beings. We have feelings. And the thing is, right now, we have tons of problems. We all comes from backgrounds with problems, and we are seeking and looking for a solution. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for a solution to my problem. Let's say my face is full of acne, and I want something to get rid of my acne, right? So I'm going to type some keywords on Google, trying to figure out who could potentially solve my problem. But the thing is, if your ad starts with let's say, are you dealing with acne? Well, you just highlighted the redundancy, the obvious. The person, it's you just twist that blade again further in their belly or stomach. So they don't need to see that. What they want is something that would say, kill your acne once and for all with this, blah, 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 blah. What's the angle? What's their angle? And once you figure out that angle, then you can, help your customer better. So I know it's been more than 5 minutes probably, but I wanted to share this with you, which is the ultimate things when you start selling on the internet. First of all, you need to create a bond. You need to create a relationship with whoever you want to try to sell. First of all, you cannot just sell and without trying to figure out what people want, right? So for example, for myself, I have a blog on my internet website. It's What's Affiliate Marketing. So I'm slowly looking to search for people who are trying to sell some digital products on the internet. So for those who are trying to look for affiliate marketing, well, what's the first thing I'm going to give them? I'm going to give them value. I'm going to give them some information about how it's working, right? So I'm going to send them into my blog. They're going to take a look at this, and then I'm going to show them what I have been using. If they like it, they can purchase it. It's their choice. But it's just a different approach. So I wanted to share with you guys. Again, it's Sunday. I'm going to let you go. And let me know what you think. Let me know if that made sense. Let me know if you understood my language, because obviously I'm French first. But whatever, right? Just speak your mind, share what you know, share what you have for knowledge. Just comment on the box, let's talk. So that was Miguel from eDigital Tips. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.